Hello friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. Welcome back to IBS Tech channel, and this video I will show you the live price prediction of Vechain crypto. What's the price change goes in a Vechain, what's the high price of Vechain, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Vechain. And this video I will show you the live price prediction of last 1 hour, 2 hour. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so it's a really bad news for all of you. Please subscribe my channel because IBS Tech channel update you every hour from every new cryptocurrencies news. So please subscribe. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction of Vechain crypto. So if we look the average change of Vechain crypto in the previous last 1 hour, so the average change as in positive 0.43% change occur in the Vechain in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Vechain as about $0.108192 is the high price of Vechain and the previous last 1 hour. And friends, if we look the Vechain price prediction chart, price analysis chart, as you can see here, so they take a jump in the previous last 1 hour, and after a jump they again falls down. But a good news for all of Vechain holder as here, as you can see here, now currently they are again ready for a huge pump. So friends, congratulations to all the Vechain holders because Vechain crypto is ready to jump. Now it's hold it. With the end of this month, Vechain crypto make you millionaire and this April. Now let's see the price prediction of last 2 hour. What's the price change goes in the last 2 hour? As I told you in the start of this video, that's it's good news for all Vechain holders, that Vechain holders Vechain start jumping at this time. As you can see here, in the previous hours they fast down. That is why I congrats for all Vechain holders. As you can see here, the negative 0.66% shares occur in a Vechain in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Vechain in the previous last 2 hour is about $0.108192 is the high price of Vechain. So friends, if we look the chart analysis, so they continuously falls down in the previous hours, and that is why I congrats you to all Vechain holders that's currently they are ready for a big jump. So friends, enjoy this big jump, and don't forget to subscribe IBS Tech channel if you are a holder. So it's the time to hold your Vechain crypto with the last of this month. And if you want to buy Vechain crypto, so absolutely good, buy Vechain crypto. It's time to buy Vechain crypto and make a good amount of profit. Don't forget to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.